Hello and welcome to Unit 2. Congratulations on completing your first unit of Prep Academy and congratulations on making it to the second unit. That's really exciting. I'm Dr. Bishop and I'm going to remind you of a couple of things before you get started on your work in Unit 2. The first is that from the homepage, please always click on course materials and use your table of contents to navigate efficiently throughout the class. Right here we're on the overview and it kind of shows you this is what you've already done, this is what you will do in Unit 2, and then this is what Unit 3 is about. Remember that when you use the table of contents to help you navigate, you start at the top of the list and you work your way down. It's really important to work in order so that the materials will unlock for you when they are supposed to, and you won't get bunched up waiting on something to open. So work in order, use course materials tab for doing that. The other thing that I wanted to remind you of is simply a little etiquette on how to communicate with your professors in this class, but in all classes while you're in college. If you're speaking with me, because you know that I do have a doctorate, you should always call me Dr. Bishop. That's for email, Zoom, however we're communicating. For the two graduate assistants that you might occasionally hear from often, who help with the grading in Prep Academy, you use professor plus their last name. They are working on their doctorates, so we won't call them doctor just yet. So professor plus last name is always appropriate for a college instructor, always. What is not appropriate is for you to call them Mr. or Mrs. We're not in high school, we don't use those terminologies, so just say professor or doctor if you know that a person has a doctorate. And that's your quick lesson for today. Good luck as you move through the class, and as always, reach out if you need some help. Thanks and congratulations.